Hi there. Emma here from Proven Signals, and a binary options trading signal was just sent in our free signal telegram. So we enter a 3-minute trade lower. We see how price is moving higher, so according to our 15 seconds double up strategy, we enter a second trade. I made a small mistake as I didn't wait the full 15 seconds from my first entry. But it's okay. There's a high probability that this is the top, and we will see a substantial price move lower from here because trading signals based on our backtested trading strategy indicate a high probability of a trend reversal. In these two trades, I risk a total of $1,000 with a reward of $1,870 if the trades are successful. If you're looking for a trading platform, we've analyzed 19 different brokers on a variety of factors including payouts, platform features, deposit methods, and regulation. The one we're using is the best one right now. It's one of the only brokers that accept clients from the United States and European countries. Both trades are now in the money, meaning price is below the entry level and in profit for our lower trades. But it's important to keep in mind that anything can happen in trading. So even when we have effective and profitable binary trading signals like these, we need to manage risk. If you have an account that is worth $10,000, then risking 5% would mean risking $500. The advantage with binary options is that we don't need to calculate a position size, how many shares or lots we need to buy or sell. We just enter trade amount. Price makes a retrace back to the level the signal was sent, and this is a binary options Fibonacci 78.2% level, and I'm confident price will turn back down from here. The fact that price is consolidating here and can't go higher is good. In the money again, and look at that selling. This is the reason we use 3-minute expiration when trading our binary option signals. You can trade the signals on their own or combine them with your own strategy for confirmation to make it the most accurate binary option strategy. Beautiful price action, and once again we see why these signals are the best binary option signals. 2 nice wins with a total profit of $1,870. Click the link in the description to join our Telegram channel. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more.